Okay, welcome back to another video of how to solve a cube. This is episode 3 of solving cube. At first, you are the most luckiest people if you are watching this video. Congratulations. And at the end of this video, you are going to solve the third step of a Rubik's cube, which is the middle. Now, what is middle? Just wait, I want to tell you. Now, if you don't know, this is corner, this is edge. If you don't know, watch my previous videos. This is the thing which is called the middle. Now, at the moment, there's only one piece at the correct spot. Just don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to do all of these. Just look at these. This one is not solved. You always need to solve white edge, then white corner, then middle. If you don't have watched already my previous video, go and watch those videos first. Now, if you don't know or you know, I have teach you in the previous video that if you want to solve the corner, you have to go in the third layer and see where is the corner piece of white. Why? In the corner of third layer? Because we are solving the corner. This time we are going to solve an edge. So we are going to see the edge piece in the third layer. Now, and the first thing, if you don't know, that opposite of white is yellow. Now, if there's any piece, if there's a yellow, just leave it. For example, this is yellow. If you are not colorblind, this is yellow, and we don't want yellow, turn it. This edge has no yellow. We are going to use this one first. First step, just don't look down, just look up. It's blue. Attach this to blue. Yes. Now look at this color and see where does it match, on the left side or on the right side. In my cube it matches on the left side. Now here comes the formula page. Just quickly take a picture. Just don't look down, no, just look at over here. Yes, don't need to be confused. This is the middle formula, and don't be scared that it's very long. I know you have memorized this formula from the previous video. Look, right formula. Here you go. D, D, F, F, D, D, F, F. Meaning that if you have memorized this formula, you have automatically memorized this formula. If you have memorized this is piece of cake. Now let's see which is the formula. Now, this was our cube and we were solving this edge. Red was on the left. Let's see what is on the left. D. If you cannot see, just make the resolution high. This is red on the left side. We are going to use the left, L for left by the way. D on the right, L down, D on the left, and L up. Like in the starting formulas, every step that you do, you have to do it backwards in the next two steps. Now look, white corners are here. This is not. Just don't see here and do the corner white. What did I did? This was white. I told you that just come here and do the formula. Well done. You just have to do this again and again. For example, yellow, don't need no yellow. Blue attach does not match on the left, then automatically it will match on the right. So this is orange and orange match over here, meaning on the right, and on the right this formula. D on the left, R down, D right, back, and then the white corner formula. See, the one piece is left, yellow, don't need it. This is not yellow, green is matched, does not match over here, meaning match is over here. On the right side, we are going to use the right again. See, that is the end of this video, because now there's only one layer left. I'm so excited to teach you because I'm a big fan of my tutorials. We will be back on the next episode.